US President Donald Trump's recent criticism of India's continued procurement of Russian military hardware has coincided with the announcement of a sharp tariff hike on Indian exports, deepening bilateral tensions. However, defense trade data paints a markedly different picture from the political rhetoric. Over the past decade, India has significantly reduced its dependence on Russian arms, bolstered indigenous defense manufacturing, and diversified suppliers toward the United States, Israel, and France. Between 2010 and 2014, Russian-origin weapons accounted for roughly 72% of India's defense imports, a figure that has since fallen to about 36% in the 2020 to 2024 period. This shift has been driven by a 174% surge in domestic arms production since 2014, supported by private sector investment and the government's Make in India initiative. While Moscow remains a supplier of select systems, most notably through a $680 million contract signed in 2019 for local production of AK-03 assault rifles, New Delhi has expanded procurement from Western partners. Key US contracts have included General Dynamics' $3.9 billion drone deal in 2024, General Electric's $720 million jet engine supply agreement in 2021, and earlier purchases of MQ-9B drones, P-8I maritime patrol aircraft, and Apache and Chinook helicopters. These transactions reflect a gradual strategic alignment with Washington, even as recent developments have strained relations. At the center of the current dispute is Washington's decision to double tariffs on Indian exports, set to reach 50% by late August 2025, in response to India's continued imports of discounted Russian crude oil. The US administration has justified the measure on national security grounds, but the move has disrupted trade talks and reignited strategic friction. New Delhi's countermeasure has been to freeze ongoing and proposed defense procurements from American firms, including potential fighter aircraft and transport plane acquisitions. Although Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has maintained that trade negotiations will continue, with the next round slated for late August, officials have adopted a noticeably cautious approach. On the economic front, India is evaluating credit support and fiscal incentives to shield exporters from tariff shocks while sustaining growth momentum. The tariff escalation has also reverberated across the BRICS bloc. Brazil's President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, serving as the current BRICS chair, has called for a coordinated group response, urging member states, India, China, Russia, South Africa, and Brazil, to align